In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a Zoom session and then share the file with your students. You have two options to record. You can either record on your computer or record to the cloud. If you have the professional subscription to Zoom, you can record to the cloud, but you have, I think, a capacity of up to 1 gigabyte. Once you exceed that, you won't be able to record to the cloud. You would have to go back and delete some of the recordings. If you record to the cloud, it's automatically done by Zoom, and once the recording becomes available, you receive an email with the link to the Zoom recording, for which you can share with your students. However, if you record on your computer, you have a full control of the video files. You can share them any way you like. You can upload them to YouTube and share them in any format you like. So I'm going to record on this computer. We are recording right now. The session is being recorded. And if in the middle of the session you want to pause the recording, you can do that at any time. Let's say you want to give your students a break, or you want to have them work on something for 5 or 10 minutes. There is no need to record. You can pause the recording and then resume the recording right after. So let us assume that we are done with the session and we're ready to stop the recording. Render the file and then share it with students, and let's see how we go about doing this. So we'll just go to more again right here. To stop the recording, you can press Alt plus R, or you can simply right here stop recording. So I'm gonna stop recording, and let's say the session will end right after this. So I'm gonna end the session. You can click right here, and it's the last command at the bottom of this menu, end, and it says end meeting for all, and here you go. Now your recording is being converted to an format that can be played on video player. It's mostly MP4 format, so the recording is available. It will be stored in a folder called Zoom. Create it in your documents folder. You don't need to create this folder at all. It will be automatically created for you. I have that folder, and you're gonna notice that there are more files than the one I just recorded, because I've been using this folder for a while. So this is my Zoom right here, and these are my recording right there. And the one that I just did is the last one. And once it is converted, it is ready to be uploaded. So what I'm going to show you next is how to upload the file, for example, to YouTube. Okay, the next step is to share your video by hosting it, for example, on YouTube. The great advantage of hosting on YouTube is the fact that YouTube will generate closed captions for you. The accuracy is very good. You only need to do a little bit of editing to make the captions very acceptable and accessible by students. This is the screen that you're gonna see. You have to sign in. You need a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you need to create one. I'm always signed in, but I just signed out to show you how that works. So if I click on upload the video, now I'm ready to upload the video I just created. If I click here and it says upload video, it's gonna ask me to sign in. So I'm just gonna sign in. Okay, I'm signed in right now, and I'm gonna upload the video. Upload video. Select the files. I'm gonna go to my Zoom session, and I'm just gonna pick any folder, any file. Oh, that was a chat. Let me just go there one more time. Here you go. And pick this one. Open. You need to name the file, the title for your video, and a description. This is required. The description I don't think is required. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see more of the screen. Then you click on next. Then you have to answer a question whether this is made for kids or not. I usually just choose not. They're for college students. I create my videos for college students. And then click on next. And your video is being uploaded right there. So we're gonna wait until it's done. This is completed. Then next. Okay, a link already been created for you to share with the students right away if you like. This is the YouTube link. You can copy it, copy the video link and store it, but you always can get later to it. So I'm gonna hit publish now. It's time to publish the video. You can either share it with the students. You can choose private and share the link with your students, or you can do public, and then anyone on YouTube who find your video can view it and play the video. And here you go. The video is right there. It's being rendered. It takes a little bit of time for the video to become available because it needs to be processed on the YouTube server. It says pending right here. Okay, so now we're gonna wait until this file is ready and show you how to edit the closed captions. Now, having uploaded the video to YouTube, you need to make sure that the closed captions are accurate, so before you share the file with your students. So here is a list of the videos that I have already on YouTube. I'm going to select a short video, which is this one, a 10-minute video, and show you how to edit the closed caption. So you're just going to click on details right here, and then subtitles. And this file was published on April 14, 2020. So what are we going to do? We're going to click here, and then we're going to edit on Classic Studio. And edit right here. And now you can start playing. Okay, so question 3 pertains to section 8.2. If the scripts the sodium content, if the scripts match exactly with what you're saying, you keep him. If not, you can change him. For example, right here I can change 3. Just click and put just number 3 if you like. And or you can go through the scripts. If they make sense, if they're accurate, students understand them, you keep and just go to the script that you want to change. For example, X bar is the mean is 14.04. I can make it 14.04 as a number, or I can play what I said right here. Grams. So X bar is 14.04 grams of sodium with a sample standard deviation of, and I can change this one to 14.04. And then once you're done editing, you can publish your edits. And now your video is published with the changes. There you go. You can play it one more time right now. 3 pertain to section 8.2. Maria is studying the sodium content. There you go. I'm gonna pause the recording, and you can exit here, and I will show you how to share this YouTube file with your students. To share any file with your students, just go to your videos, click on the details of your video. Here is the video link right here. You can just copy video link, or I'll show you another way to do that. Let me play the video. I'm gonna pause here and right click. You can copy the video URL from here, or copy the embed code. If you copy the embed code, students will see a screen of the video, and then just they click on the screen to play the video. If you copy the URL, students will have to click on the URL and copy it or paste it to their web browser in order to view it. So there are different ways to share the video with your students. And actually, if you want to share it at the current time, let's say you want students to start to see the part of the video that starts 10 minutes later, you can go to that part and then share the link, copy video URL at current time, and then when students they get the link, they click on it, it's gonna play, you know, just from that point that you selected. And you can post the URL in your learning management system, or you can send it to students via email. You can share it in any format. I believe uploading to YouTube is very straightforward, as long as you make the video accessible and you have a student's agreement that you can record this video and share it. If you don't want to make it public, you can upload it in a private settings, and only students who have the link can view the video. All right, that's it.